Welcome to Kusum.net. This is ASP.NET MVC tutorial and you are watching part 55 cross-site scripting attack. Before watching this video, please watch my part 52, 53 and 54. In part 54, I was explaining about typo templates in ASP.NET MVC. So in this session, you will learn what is cross-site scripting attack. You can see here, I have created this type of page and user has input this script inside of the comments text box and apply it to the application. When it applies, uh, the application prevent it using the input validate method. Okay. So if I remove that validation input equal to true or false, okay, then it will attack, this script will attack to the application. Okay, so let's click to the Visual Studio and check how can do it. So I have created this controller. Which one? This comments controller, and this comment controller have all the methods. Okay, I have created controller with the methods and the views using the templates. And these are the views for this command: create, delete, details, edit, and index. So I want to create the form for this table, comments table, okay, this table comments table, and inside of this table comments ID, name, and comments properties. I have created one ADO.NET data model, and this data model, entity data model, is inside of this model. Okay, and this model contains this table comments, ID, name, and comments. So using this comments model, I will use very good website. Okay, I will put this script. This is website, a good website, very good website, and input this bold and underline tag. Now see, when I click on this create button, the ASP.NET application is given the error with security. A potentially dangerous request form value was detected. Now, if we want to pass this attack to the application, what we can do? We can remove the validate input security method. So for that, I will go to this create method. This is my get method to see the view page for the create view page, and this is my post page to create, to post the application data. Now here I will use input validate uh, input validate input false, so it will prevent for cross scripting attack. Whatever I passed here, the script inside of this page, that is script attack. Okay, so I have validate input validate false doing, so it will not prevent the security attack and directly save inside of the database. So now build it, save it, and run it. right? After giving validate input equal to false, when I input something, means the script attack. Okay, if user passing script attack, the ASP.NET application don't prevent it and directly pass to this table and display in the index view. So this is my code of the text box. Okay. Now, so you okay to display the text without script inside of the table, I will use this @HTML.row. So go to this index view page and @HTML.row. Okay, and inside of this, I will pass this item object dot comments. So remove this, no need lambda expression. Okay, now check it, refresh the page. Or again go to this view page by running the application. Right, you can see here now the script tags are removed from this table and displayed in the index view using this html.row. Okay, now this create view page have this editor for these comments when user input. But if user input in place of script text, if it input directly a big script, then what, the application prevent it or not? Let's see. For that I want a more area. For that I will use here in place of editor 4. I will use area 4, text area 4, right? So I will get the more space to write the script, and this script will look like this, Okay, I will write this type of script and pass to the table. So I have a text area 4 and now run the page, refresh the page. Create new and write here suppose name Ramesh, and I will give the more space to this text area. So I will add script type equal to text or JavaScript or JavaScript, and right, inside of this I will add suppose alert your site, your website is hacked now. Okay, and pass this script to the table. Okay, now create it. What gonna happen? Let's see now. So create. Okay, you can see here this script attack is done using that script passing. Okay, but application can't prevent it. For the prevention of this attack, we will see in the next lecture. So let's click on OK and see. This script attack will not save the message inside of this table and display, but it displays that pop-up text message. Okay, your site is help. So there is the solution, but we will see that in the next lecture. Okay. So by default, ASP.NET MVC encodes all HTML. This is one of security measures in place to prevent XSS attacks to disable HTML encoding. Means to disable this script tag of the saving text, you will use this HTML.row. And two important security measures in place to prevent XSS. All user input is validated, but we have disabled this. Means that input validate equal to false, and all HTML output is encoded. We have disabled this as well. Means this HTML we have passed. Okay. So script attack also go to the table. Our application is now susceptible for this XSS attacks. Means I have written this big script and passing this alert, but application uh, can't stop it. So how to remove this scripting pop-up model of security attack? Let's see in the next session. So this is my end of video session. Thank you for listening my video. If you like this video, please subscribe it, like it, and share it. Thank you. Have a great day.